Welcome to another episode of Millennial Investing Explained. Here's today's question. What have you found to be the most common reason for people to not get started investing in real estate?
Traditional stigma. If I were to ask you, Robert, who was the first time you ever heard about, the risks about real estate? You might say a common answer I hear all the time, particularly from people who are not kind of investing in real estate and they're more in the tech crowd. Like my tech brethren, they love investing in startups, but they really don't want to touch real estate with a 10-foot pole typically. And it's because we all in our families growing up, we probably had Aunt Sally or Uncle Joe, and they say, well, I invested in real estate that one time 20 years ago and I lost all of my money. And that one moment, that one story is like a little bit of like a seed that grows into this thing in most of our collective minds to become the notion that real estate is risky and real estate is sleazy and real estate is slow and real estate is what old people do. These are the things that we generally talk about as a society when we bring up the terms real estate. And that is what stops people. And it's just so incorrect, categorically.
I absolutely love that you said that because that is exactly how I think about it. That is exactly what I think holds people back. That was what held me back for the longest time. Like I said, I was a stock guy forever. And then I never thought I could invest in real estate. And then I learned about it and I learned that those stigmas weren't true. And now when I tell people that I own properties in states that are 2,000 miles away for properties I've never seen, never been to, their mind just is blown. And yeah, it's just that stigma. And so I really love that you said that because I think that is so, so true. It's also funny because one day I'm going to write a book about this concept. I really want to do that sometime soon. So yeah, I absolutely love that you say that. That's all for this episode of Millennial Investing Explained. Be sure to follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, or subscribe to our YouTube channel to get even more free content.